Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable DAC on your headphones Edifier W830NB. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Click on HD audio codec, it's a third line. And now we have three choices. We can disable DAC, what I have right now. Also, if you wanna balance between audio and connection quality, I recommend it to use the second one. And if you prefer audio quality, you can use the first one. So I prefer this one. Just click on it and click Save. Confirm. And now we should wait. Then turn on your headphones. Pair. And we did it! Now if we go into settings and HD audio codec, we will see that we choose it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!